guys to our channel, to our very first video. Today, as you can tell, our channel name is Vegan Kids Food, easy food that kids can make, and it's vegan. So today we're going to be making vegan popcorn. It's easy. I'm going to be using popcorn seeds. I'm going to be using a popcorn maker. You can use whatever, a stove, anything. You can use it for any person, as much as you want. But I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup. And you need a bowl, obviously. And I'm going to put this in. And if you're going to be making vegan food, which is our channel name, you're going to need vegan butter. I'm going to be using original flour for the butter. And I'm going to be using this. You can put as much as you want, but don't put too much. I'm going to put about this much butter. That should be good. And let's put that there. Let's put that off to the side. Okay, and so let's start. Let's get it started. It's quite noisy. I should have said this before. Don't touch it while it's popping if you're using a popcorn maker. It's extremely hot. So if you can use salt. Don't put too much. It's poisonous, kids. And I'm just going to put a bit. And as you can see, it melted. It's actually quite hot. So that's why it's actually quite hot. And I say not to touch it. And I'm going to be putting it on now. So let's get a nice close up. You can start in the middle. I would say that's the best spot to start. Okay, now I'm pouring it very little because I don't want to put too much in one spot. Okay, don't leave it in one spot. It would be very buttery, but I recommend not to do that. So shake it up like how you do it with the thing, and let's try a nice buttery piece.